Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about the vocal rooms and the bandits that live within them. Here's the deal. We get a lot of calls from guys who do voiceover work. We build a lot of vocal rooms. You can see the ones we've done, some of the ones we've done on our website. And the calls are always the same. I mean, probably 60, 70 calls over the last couple of years with vocal booths. And they're all having these, well, here's their sizes, 8, 9, 10 foot. Seems to be about the average size. And they're all, I mean, almost without exception, having problems in that 125 to 500 cycle range. And we all know that work with music, that's a very critical range for voice. And you got to get it right. You can't have any dropouts. You can't have any peaks. You can't, we can't be having this and we can't be having that. We got to have this or, something close to that. And then we can EQ these situations. But the bottom line here is you've got to get that 125 to 500 cycle right. It's got to be perfect because we hear differences in tone in human voice because that's how we communicate. It's in our genetics. It's in our codes, okay? So just like 125 to 500 is a critical voice region, we got to get it right because we know when it's wrong. Low end of male voice, 80 to 90 cycles most of the time. I mean, it could go lower. Baritone's really low down there, but we're really looking at this 80, 90 to 100 cycle range, of which this is a big part of that range, right? So that's full range, but this is a real critical part that we have to get right. This 125 to 500 cycle range, there's a lot of room distortion. So if you can't get it right, it's mostly due to your room. We have to manage that. And it's mostly due to the tangential issues, the four wall issues. So we've got no choice in a vocal room but to treat all four walls and the ceiling, okay? So we got the tangential modes, and those are all on the four walls. So how are we going to treat? We're going to look at our Studio Pro foam because it's ironic that this is the frequency range when I was designing our foam that I focused on. And, it took me 12 prototypes, 8 years, and a couple $1 million to create, but I got it. I got a great curve. And you can go to the foam graphic, which I think Brian will put up here for you, and you can see. Notice the 125 to 500 cycle region. Notice how smooth it is. Look how smooth it is. Look at the others. There are big spatial irregularities here, but look at ours. Look how smooth that is. You're not going to have any spatial irregularities using it. It's going to fix this for you. It's the frequency range that I focused on because it was the most important. I tested hundreds of rooms, and this one always kept coming up. And boy, here it is again in our room, 8, 9, 10 foot room sizes. There's a way to lay it out in the room, and we have that. You don't want to cover the complete wall with it. You want to leave space between it. We like 12 inches, seems to work out really well, and we can help you with layout. You can see our foam sizes on the website. The most popular one is the 27 by 55, but we've got 27 by 75. So we've got all kinds of sizes. We have full sheets. The ceiling issue in vocal rooms is critical because what do we got? We got our room. Okay, we're going to be seated, perhaps. Here's our microphone. Or we're going to be standing up. Bottom line is the ceiling is a really close surface, and that ceiling reflection into the microphone is critical. If you're sitting at a table, you have the ceiling reflection off the ceiling on the table into the microphone. So you get 2 or 3 reflection points. So vocal room bandit, it's this 125 to 500 cycle range that you've got to get right. That's where all your tone is. That's where all your personality is, if you will, if you're a voiceover artist. It's where everything is. So you got to get it right. And you got to use a technology that's designed to get it right. And our Studio Pro foam will do that for you. So if you're having this issue in your vocal room, you got a bandit going around there, let's put him in prison. Let's get rid of him, and let's get a nice smooth response curve in our vocal rooms. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.